What's going on, everybody? My name's Avery Alexander Hadley. I'm just getting on here real quick, short and concise, to tell you what the foreign exchange market is, how I invest and multiply my money in this market, and how you could potentially do so as well. Alright, I just want to thank God for allowing me to get on here and really break down everything to y'all. With Him, I can do all things, so that's who I'm doing it with right now. So, really, Forex, all Forex is it's a $7 trillion market. You're able to make money in a $7 trillion market. This is what people use all the time. You see it in airports. I know you can't probably go to one right now, or they're just not opening up, but you see it in airports, you see it in malls, you see it in different places, right? And you exchange your dollar for another country's dollar, right? You exchange currency for currency. But what we do is, what I do, shall I say, is I trade and multiply directly from Wi-Fi, directly from the internet, directly from my phone, laptop, any device that's connected to Wi-Fi, right? So you buy or sell a price change, a price fluctuation, right? So you're literally able to make money. If one currency starts going into a buying formation, you can buy into that currency pair. If it starts to sell, you can sell into that currency pair and make money. All right, so from April and that arrow point on the top left chart, from April to July, that is a uptrending market. That is a bullish market. You would buy, it'd be a good opportunity to buy from April on. All right, and then in this downtrending market, where that arrow's at, where it says the LH, right, and all that LH is a lower high, right? The market makes lower highs and lower lows on the downtrending market, and higher highs and higher lows in the uptrending market. But the downtrending market, which is a bearish market, starting from that LH that the arrow is pointing at, good opportunity to sell. All right, and then the third different way that the market moves is a consolidating market. So if I didn't go over it before, I'll go over it right now. The market moves three different ways. The foreign exchange market in all the currency pairs. And even stocks, options, indices, the market usually moves three different ways. It's either in an uptrend, a downtrend, or it's consolidating. All right, it's up, down, or sideways. All right. And what we do in the Forex world, we do something called, we catch pips. I know you might see it, oh, we just caught 100 pips, or we just caught this many pips on GBP CAD. We just did this on this pair, on that pair. All right. Whenever you catch pips, all that means is it's a point in percentage. So if you were buying, you would start at a low point, and then you would move up, and every time that you would move up one, you're gaining a pip. Right, and for a sell, it would be going down. Every time it goes down one, you're gaining a pip. Every time that the market moves in your desired direction, up one for a buying formation, you are gaining a pip. Every time that it moves down in a selling formation, you are gaining a pip for a seller. All right, but the only way that you're not making money in this market is when you're going to buy. You're going to buy into a currency pair, and then you know the market goes into the opposite direction, and that's where you would be losing money, not gaining a pip. You know, and then for a sell, if you go to sell into a currency pair, go to sell into a market, and it goes in the opposite direction, that's when you're not gaining a pip. Right? I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I'm gonna go over lot sizes real quick. All right, so you're able to leverage your account. You're able to leverage however much money you have in your account, and you can start trading with as little as $10. But I suggest trading with more, right? If you want to trade to see more results, so you can use higher lot sizes, right? So the smallest lot size you can use is a 0.01, right? And that's 10 cents per pip. So if you would catch 10 pips in one trade, you're able to make $1 in that trade. And when you move it up to a higher position, higher lot size, 0.10, you're able to make $10 on 10 pips that you catch. Then you move it over to a standard position, which is 1.00, $10 per pip. You catch 10 pips, that's $100 in one trade. But the thing about trading, people, it's not about you, oh, I just made this many dollars, oh, I just lost this many dollars. It's about you catching pips and catching them consistently, because when you know how to catch pips, you'll know how to make money. All right, but some of the different things that's traded in the Forex world, you got the Forex crosses, then you got indexes, you got energies, and then you got cryptos. Bitcoin versus the United States dollar, GER 30, US 30, the top 30 corporations in those countries is traded. US 30 is called Dow Jones in the stock world. SPX 500, Euro AUD, European dollar versus the Australian dollar. You know, gold versus the US dollar, GBP CAD, Great British Pound versus the Canadian dollar. Right. I offer something that would make life easier, that would give you step-by-step videos of what is Forex, all the way down to the you know, intermediate and advanced of Forex. And I offer some mentorship trading in the foreign exchange market, along with some other products that'll allow you to be potentially profitable as a novice trader. Right? Trading is an investment. It's just like if you were, you know, going to college for anything. It requires education. It requires you learning the skill in order for you to become profitable in this market. You're not going to become great at anything or become good at anything if you don't first get knowledge and you develop skill and repetition for it. All right. So if you're interested in learning the skill of trading, if you're interested in learning more about the world's largest market, the largest financial market in the world, the most liquid financial market in the world, that you're able to make money directly from your phone, DM me for mentorship. God bless you. If you're not trading, tripping.